Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're looking at the top dilated pores of Weiner on social media, starting off with Instagram's top video. This appears to be a dilated pore on a dog. Wow. Speaking of social media, please check us out on Facebook. The address is facebook.com/freakymedical. An oldie but goldie, this video ranks as one of Instagram's top pops as well. This is Instagram's most popular dilated pore image. Although it's clearly Photoshop, it is a lot of fun. Fair warning, I like this, and it might wind up as our thumbnail. This one comes to us from Universal Dermatology. What an incredible pop. Also, here's an incredible clip of some folks at Universal Dermatology using a laser to treat broken capillaries. Nice. I guess there is a tool for every job. And speaking of pimple popping with tools, I'm about to show you an esthetician who's using a lancet to pop pimples. Let's listen to her.
To make you bleed. You see the pore, right? Can you see the pore? Look what I'm doing. You see what I just did? Okay. Look. See that pore? Do you see how it opened?
What did you just do on the side? Tell me. I'm learning what
Look,
I'm seeing.
when you see the pore, I put it right in the pore and push in, and it opens it up.
Is anyone here?
If you're interested in the best pimple popping kit on Amazon, I'll put a link below. It includes a lancet, comedone extractor tools of all sizes, and a great carrying case. Alright folks, while you watch this blackhead removal clip, click that subscribe button, and if you like our video, click the bell for notifications so you can get more of them. See you next time. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinnergy, and I think it'll work for you.